Hello everyone! In today's video I want to share with you some recipes of face masks against pigmentation. You can also use them if you want to rejuvenate, recover and smoothen out your skin. I have already dedicated a whole video to pigmentation. You can find it on my channel. I'm going to link it in the description below. If you eliminate all the causes of pigmentation that are connected to your health, the only thing left is to follow general recommendations. Those are using sunscreen, eliminating harsh procedures in spring and summer period, and using skincare products that are supposed to gradually lighten your pigmentation. First thing that you should exclude during summer is harsh face peelings. Even if this peeling is meant to be for all seasons, it can provoke pigmentation if you don't follow the recommendations. And the main recommendation for face peelings is avoiding direct sun, which is very hard in summer. And therefore, I would rather recommend using home skincare routine with lightening and toning effects. The face mask recipes that I'm going to share with you today are very easy to make, but are very effective. For the first recipe, we are going to use green tea leaves. It rejuvenates, clears, and tightens up your skin. It has a regenerating, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. The next component is cocoa powder. It hydrates dry skin, reduces inflammation on problem skin, rejuvenates aging skin, and reduces pigmentation on all skin types. Cocoa powder has a lot of vitamins and microelements that are crucial to keep our face young. But make sure that you don't have a personal intolerance to this product, then obviously avoid it. This face mask will work on all skin types. For normal to dry skin, we are going to need leaves of green tea, cocoa powder, sour cream, and olive oil. Start off by breaking the leaves into a powder. Take 1 tablespoon of the powder and add some boiling water. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of sour cream, and several drops of olive oil. Or you can use any other cosmetic oil, almond or peach oil. Mix it all together and apply to your skin. Apply this face mask directly to your clean skin. This face mask has a very smooth texture and smells like chocolate. You can also apply this face mask to the skin around your eyes, because it contains some oily components such as sour cream and olive oil. If you want to use this face mask to your oily skin, you should replace sour cream with buttermilk. And don't add any oil. If you added buttermilk and your face mask is too liquid, you can add some oat flour or starch, either potato starch or corn starch. You can also use this face mask on your neck and neckline, but I am going to use another one. The next rejuvenating and brightening face mask is also very easy to make, but has a very rich, personality, right? Exactly. The next face mask is also very simple, but very effective. You are going to need pea flour. You can buy it or make it yourself. We took some dried peas, put it into coffee grater till it got to the flour consistency. Then you're going to need some buttermilk and some fresh parsley. Mix them together in a blender and added some pea flower to it. I'm going to apply this face mask to my neck and neckline. I forgot to mention that once the face mask is ready, you should let it sit for 20 minutes so that the flower gets smooth. Look, it has such a pretty color. I want a dress in this color. It's such a pretty pistachio color. And I think this color actually fits me. And it smells like fresh green peas. This face mask will fit for all skin types. If you have dry to normal skin, you can add several drops of olive oil. And if you have oily skin, you can add several drops of lemon juice. I again forgot to mention, peas are not only a very nutritious product, but also a great cosmetic substance that contains vitamins E, B1, calcium, kalium, zinc and iron. Okay, I'll put it in. You can also use pea flower as a cleanser. Just dissolve it in water, warm water, and use it as a gentle cleanser. Couple of words about parsley maybe? I think parsley is famous enough to say something else about it. Oh, you think so? Famous to whom? Huh? And buttermilk? And buttermilk is 100% a unique product. Like they don't know already. Any of these face masks you can do as a course, doing 10 procedures in total and doing a face mask 3 times a week. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off with cool water. All lightening and brightening face masks should only be done in the evening. I also want to remind you that these face masks are not only brightening and lightening, but also help to rejuvenate, smoothen out small wrinkles, have some anti-inflammatory effects, because the components help to regenerate and sensitizing effects. So I encourage you to try these face masks and comment about your experience under this video. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And click the reminding bell.